Hello everyone, as you can see I've got an awesome box in front of me. It is another Black Series helmet. It is of course Trapper Wolf's helmet. So what we're going to do today is unbox this and set it up. This is not something I thought they would ever do, but I am very happy that they did. So if you have any questions while we're going through this, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, so as you can see, that's the outside of the box. It looks pretty cool. It's apparently it's got synchronized LED lights and 3 speakers that create an immersive flight simulation experience featuring enemy blaster fire effects and communication from Carson Teva. It's got audio from the Razor Crest as well as Ranzar Station, so that'll be very cool to try out. And then it's got 2 different LED colors, green and red. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We'll do this together. Go from the top, that guy, and then we've got one more here on the side. And because of my camera placement, this may not be the best, but we'll do it together, so hopefully we can see it. There we go. So this way you can see exactly what you get in the box. So it's got the padding, chin strap. It's going to be very similar, I think, to a lot of the other Black Series helmets. All right, and then we've got probably the ear pads there. There we go. Yeah, this is going to be very similar to all of the other Black Series flight helmets. This comes out, and that's it except for the instructions. All right, so I'll go ahead and take this off the desk here, and we'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and cleaned up the desk here, got 3 AAA batteries, because I believe that's what it said here. Let's just do one verification here. It is AAA, awesome. So let's go ahead and set this all up, because that's what we need to do. So on the back here, I don't know if you can see, let's go ahead and turn on a light. Boop. This is the on-off, I believe. Looks like that was on-off, although I could be wrong. That's what we decide what we want as far as Ranzar Station or Razor Crest here on the back here. So remember that. And then we've got center. So we'll find out what center versus 1 and 2 actually means here in just a moment. I do like the fact that we've got the symbol there as well. So let's go ahead and put in the ear pieces here. You'll notice that we do have Velcro, and that's what this attaches with there. And then we've got Velcro over on the other side. So again, and then at the top here, we also have Velcro. And that's what the head there attaches to. All right, and then on the back, is it? It's not there. What am I doing wrong? Ah, there it is. I would think it's right there. Give me 1 second, I'll just see if I can make sure I understand exactly how to take care of this guy. Actually, does that just pop off? Yeah, there we go. So that piece there just pops off. I was a little worried about that. But then we've got a Phillips head screwdriver, or head screw right there. So we'll go ahead and do that. Comes off. And then we've got our AAA batteries here. Just follow the instructions as far as what direction that they need to go. So this one is negative on top. Positive on top and a negative on top. And we'll go ahead and put this guy right back in. Make sure to get that. That feels pretty good there. And then this guy is just gonna go right like that. And right. All right, again, we're just gonna leave that in the center. Chin strap, basically we've got the straps that, we've got the snaps that are up here, and that's how we're gonna snap that guy in. Just make sure you get the earpiece there. And then we've got the microphone there. Perfect. And let's see, and then this is the button to make the sound happen. It's right there, so let's go ahead and see what happens. So we'll go ahead and put the helmet on so you can kind of see this. All right. It's not seeing it, not hearing anything crazy. Let's go ahead and take the mic here and put that inside. That way you guys can hear it maybe a little bit better.
Yeah, I got a clear signal on the tracking beacon. Looks like they're launching a gunship.
So I hope you can kind of see the lights do actually go across there. All right, let's go ahead and switch now.
Transponder, and we don't vaporize that antique the next time we patrol the rim.
All right, let's go ahead and put the microphone back on. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that that was helpful, being able to hear exactly what it sounds like inside of the helmet there. As far as the fit, it's going to be very similar to all the other pilot helmets, just because it is the exact same helmet, just with a little bit different as far as the design on it. I'm really happy with the way that this one looks, though. I like the coloring on it. I like the wolf. I think this is a good homage to Trapper Wolf, or Dave Filoni's character. Yeah, I'm liking this. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on, just to make sure that it does fit exactly like the other ones. If you have any questions, again, like I said, ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll be right back. All right, so I tried on the helmet, and it sounds really cool. It's super cool hearing Trapper Wolf's voice right in my ear. But as an adult male, the earpieces, they're a little tight, so I took them out. The microphone here is just for display purposes only, and just like I said before, the switch 1 or 2, when you have it in the middle, it turns it off, but when you select the different sides, that's how it decides which mode it's in. Overall, I think this is going to be a great piece. I use it as display purpose in my office. I'm probably going to take this one into my work office instead of my home office, just because I think it'll work really well with that, as well as some of my other helmets as well. So if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll leave some links throughout up here with some of the other videos that I've done with Black Series helmets. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. However, we focus a lot on Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but we also do other things as well, like going to theme parks like Galaxy's Edge, as well as home automation, gaming, basically anything a professional geek might find interesting. And with that, have a great day.